Not a pretty sight, is it? Why is it like this? In this case, poor grease trap maintenance. A grease trap is supposed to separate fats, oils, and greases from water exiting commercial kitchen drains and sinks. In this case, the grease trap has not been properly maintained. There is debris blocking the water from entering the trap, causing this backup. How do you prevent this? Use a quality grease trap service provider. Not every service provider is high quality. Some don't even scrape down the sides of the trap or pump the trap to the bottom. Wind River is different. Our highly skilled, highly trained technicians are armed with the knowledge and technology to get the job done right. Let's take a closer look at the Wind River 14-point inspection plan. First, we look at the cover. We're checking for rust, physical damage, or any other issues. Next, we look at the gaskets. Again, we're looking for missing or torn gaskets, which can result in odors. Third, we inspect the bolts that hold the cover in place. We make sure that they are the correct size and they are not stripped. Some traps do not have bolts and instead have rods. For these traps, we inspect the rods. The next step, we remove and clean the baffles. The baffle is what slows the water down inside the grease trap, giving the grease enough time to cool and separate from the wastewater flowing through the grease trap. Most traps do not have baskets, this one included. If the trap is an automatic grease recovery unit, like the Big Dipper, and has baskets, we will also inspect them. The next step is to inspect for rust. Wind River examines everything. The outer walls, the bottom of the trap, everywhere. Rust can cause a leak in the trap, so it's key to check for this. Now we check the flow. If the flow is impeded, then something will likely back up. Next is check the trap for leaks. Now we advise whether drain cleaning services are necessary. Then we inspect the screens or strainers in the sink, which prevent food solids from entering the trap. Now that we've inspected everything and we know how much grease and food solids are in the trap, we can inform the owner if he needs to change service frequencies. Grease traps work properly only if up to 25% of their contents are grease and food solids. If this 25% mark is exceeded, the trap requires more frequent service. Finally, the last step is to complete the condition report for every visit. At Wind River, we take care of all the documentation you need. As you can see, at Wind River, we do a thorough quality job. That's why our customers love us. 95% of our customers would recommend us to a friend or colleague. Check us out for yourself and see what they are raving about.